Hello today, welcome back to Beastly Tech. In our today's video we 5 to see this amazing phone from Nokia. As you know, Nokia company has been in the market for long. If you are new in the and you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on notification by clicking the notification bell. Nokia Flip is a very unique smartphone from Nokia, and what makes it unique is that it is a floating flipping camera with 128 megapixel. The camera can be used as primary camera or secondary camera. Can you imagine a selfie camera with 128 megapixel? That sounds amazing. The smartphone is 5G enabled, operating on Android OS 11. It has so many awesome features. Enjoy watching the video.